Oh shit, mate. Fucking hell.
Bringing that dirty, bringing that 30. Music with a quick extension, bringing up 30.
So, I just got stopped at security at the airport. We're going to Hurghada in Egypt. Yeah, I just got stopped at security at the airport. I don't really know why. This guy just searched me. I got through and everything. It's all good. I'm all clear. No bad intentions. But he stopped me at security. They told me to take my trainers off. But apart from that, everything else went through security, and then he started scanning me. And obviously you guys know that I'm a smoker, so basically when he scanned me with that wand, he scanned over my pockets, and like my fags started bleeping. So I don't really know why, but like I didn't have a lighter on me. My lighter went through the scanner, so like that weren't in my pocket, but he scanned my fags and my fags started bleeping, which is really weird. But I came out all clear, I'm all good. And now we're just sitting, we've got 2 hours until we board the plane. So yeah, we're just chilling at the minute. Yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video, because I've not made a video in a while, but I'm working now. And I'm so busy, so. And I got my braces off. I look forward to editing this video, because I love doing my editing and my YouTube and everything, you know me. So I'll do as much as I can. Anyway, I'll speak to you all soon. That pushes a plane. Mad, isn't it?
Yeah, but then when, no, this is what I mean, it runs it to the airways.
And I'm about to trust this dodgy geezer to fly me 100 miles. I'm about to trust this fella here with my life. So this place is like massive. Like there's a water park at the end of this, and then there's the beach. But like to walk down there, it's going to take me about 10 minutes. And we've only just got here, so like we still need to check into our rooms and everything. But this place, it's a nice temperature compared to the UK. So nice and warm, nice and warm. And I can definitely say it's nice to be away again. But this place is absolutely huge, and I'm only here for a week, but I think I'm going to get some pretty good shoots here. So I landed safe in Egypt. I'm currently sitting in my room by myself. Everyone's gone down to the bar, but I'm just waiting for my phone to charge up. Because it died pretty fast and I had no phone on the plane, and I got here connected to Wi-Fi at the hotel, and like everyone was messaging me like my first full day is tomorrow, and I can't wait. As you probably seen in the background of the last video, everything, this place is huge, like, and I think, like I said, I'm gonna get some pretty epic shots here. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna head down to the bar, get a drink, and come back up here, grab my phone, do some texting, and I will see you all after I've uploaded this video at some point, so I'll see you soon. So it's day one. It's currently 4 o'clock UK time, 5 o'clock Egyptian time, and it's been a very long day. I've not been feeling too well, that's why I've not really filmed much. I went scuba diving earlier, and I took my GoPro down, or my 8-man camera, and it happened to be dead. So I've got to stick that on charge. I don't really know why it's dead, because it was fully charged when I left this morning. I went scuba diving this morning and it was great, and as I went to turn on the camera, it came on and said battery low, and then it died. So I don't really know why the battery was low, but I've got to have a look at that. So I'll probably use the other camera. Hopefully that one's not busted too. So I've got like all new camera equipment and that, so it's a shame because scuba diving was great. Weird but new experience. But I suppose it's always the first time of everything, really. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it was a good day. But it's only day one and there's a lot more to come. And it's a shame, obviously, I couldn't film earlier because it was really good. But I've got some nice little other shots around the building and little bits. So it's been a good day, but we've still got a whole week. So I'm hoping to make this vlog one of my best vlogs on holiday yet. So I will speak to you all very shortly. Peace. So it's like day 3 now. Day 3, yeah, day 3, because I've got 4 days left here. I'm only here for a week. Sort of like catching a tan a bit. Yeah, it's not so bad. It's nice here, 5-star hotel, all inclusive. Nice little, well, I say little. I got a massive water park right at the end of the hotel. There's a swimming pool that runs all the way down, as you can see in the background there. I've got like the water park literally there, but like I thought I'd get a quick little bit of a video done and just basically say like there's not much to this video, unfortunately. I went scuba diving the other day and like my card on my camera was empty, so like, I had more than enough storage to film, but unfortunately as I turned on the camera it said low battery, and died on me considering I charged it the night before, which was a little bit upsetting. Sorry if you can't see me too well, the lighting's not great here. So yeah, there's not much to this video, and it would have been a lot nicer. I mean, I would like to get some shots in the water park, but again, I can't use any sort of photography equipment there. I can't film or anything, which is a shame because I attempted to, and they told me that like genuinely I can't use any photography equipment. which was a massive shame because I would have got some epic little shots and videos around here. But I'm enjoying myself. It's been a good holiday so far, but if anything else comes up over the next 4 days, I'll definitely be filming it. So keep your eyes peeled on my channel. I hope to have this uploaded very soon, and yeah, I will see you on day 4. Peace.
Hold it for him. He gets blinded. This monk is doing a bong.
Go.
Yeah, but Samsungs don't crack as easily as iPhones.
Like I don't know.
It's a bong.
Can you ask him off just sweep past the camera?
How'd you lot get so much smoke out?
Cause we fucking.
That makes it look so bright when it's not.
These things are so hard to pull on.
Pull on.
Like they are, like.
Pull on.
Let's turn the camera around, hold on. Where are we going, boy? Back to London. Going back to London, Gatwick, yeah? In my Sorry. Oh boy, look at that queue. Long that. What are you saying?
Oh, that wasn't me.
Pussy. I'll break my camera.
What just happened?